What's up, guys? So as you can see, did a little bit of work to the Comanche. We plastidip the Jeep emblem up front black, dipped the Comanche emblems on the side here. We cleaned off the tires. Tires look really nice, the whites, and turns out that I actually have yellow letters in the back, which I actually didn't know. So I don't know how I feel about it. I would prefer white, so I'm not sure what we can do about that. But definitely interesting. I attempted to refinish the taillights just with some of my plastic restoration stuff, and these are too far gone. So these are going to need some reworking, either some sanding and maybe some clear coat, something along those lines to kind of fix those up. There are the tires on this side. The Comanche emblems turned out nice, I think. Next will be the window trim on there. Another thing that I did inside of the truck here. So we got a new shift knob on there. So this is one of the original style shift knobs. So definitely got rid of the die. This is much better, I think. So a little bit more classic looking. And then I also swapped in my stereo that used to be in my Dakota. So this is my old school, and that used to be in my Dakota. I have to wire it all because the connection is completely different to what that old radio is. So I got to get the connector for this and then rewire everything. That way I'll have a radio again. So that'll be nice. But I think just looks wise, it looks much better, even though it doesn't work. It just looks much better. So there's my beat up dash that I need to get a new dash for. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much all that we did today. So, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Still got some work to do on her. Still gotta refinish this up here. He backed into his building, I believe, or just something. This is like white paint, so gotta get that off. Do something about the yellow lettering on there. Interior is pretty good. Oh yeah, I also put so I got a new window roller, so now the window rolls up and down. It's a little odd. It still has a hard time. Like this last little bit, I have to help it. So I already took the panel off and WD-40'd all the internal parts. It seems a little strange that it'll actually go a lot farther down than what I think it's supposed to go, so that might have something to do with it. But other than that, then there is one last issue that I am having with the truck. So as you can see, right here, I believe when I'm going over bumps, this piece is hitting the frame. So I'm thinking all I have to do is kind of cinch this up so this is a little more tighter, and maybe raise the rear of the truck a little bit so it doesn't keep smacking that. So if any of you guys have an idea of why that's happening, and if all I need to do is just kind of cinch it up, I'll do that. But so that's the only thing. It's only on this side that I get the clunk. I tried to put I just put like a piece of foam in between, and that definitely deadened it. That way it's not like just straight up metal, but I need to fix that. So yeah, so anyway, guys, that's it for today for the Comanche. It's getting there. It's looking a lot better, I think. Definitely want to refinish those flares too. I'm not sure if I want to repaint them or get like some type of plastic dye. I've seen that you can like refinish the plastic bed liners with that. But yeah, so we'll see. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. It helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.